Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We are now going for a ride in our 1978 Pontiac Trans Am 4-speed manual, 400 Pontiac engine, gold on gold, very neat little car. As you may know, a lot of people refer to these cars as the bandit cars. Although if you also seen the series Wayne, they also had a gold Trans Am there too. Well, we got some pretty smooth cruiser. Since there's nobody behind us now, we'll give you a little bit of a brake test. Of course, I wasn't even holding on to the wheel to show you how great this car really is. This is also a T-top edition Trans Am, which everybody seems to like a lot more than just the plain Janes. Factory AC, and yeah, the same Delco radio, which does tune and work. Other than that, pretty smooth little ride. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around now, get her on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.